What's up, YouTube viewers? Went to Sally's yesterday, picked up these Wahl 5-star detailers. I think that's what they're called. And I went to go return those clippers after all. And I went to swap them out, and they ended up not having them. So I think I'm just gonna order them from AtlantaBarber.com. And I was checking out. I bought just a simple a razor holder that I've been seeing a lot of YouTube viewers, barbers, and they have been using it. Vic the Barber. Who else? I think his name's Jay the Barber or something like that. A lot of barbers out there that are up in the game, they've been using it. So it seemed like a pretty cool razor, and I was like, I'll buy it if everyone's going to be doing reviews on it. And it's just a simple razor holder. I'll probably make another video on that later. But anyways, yeah, I was checking out. And as I was checking out, I saw these Wahl 5-star detailers, and I have been wanting these for a good while already. Right now, I don't cut hair, but I just have a thing for clippers. I want to learn. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on tutorials how to cut hair, and it's just something I want to pick up. I mean, I can edge up myself and do sideburns and stuff, but right now I really don't know how to fade and taper, nothing like that. That's why I've been watching tutorial videos. But it's kind of hard when you have no one to practice on and stuff like that. I mean, if y'all can just give me some tips how to start off, that'll be real helpful. But yeah, back to the Wahl 5-star detailers. I bought these. They were on sale for I think it was like $50. But this is going to be an unboxing, and I'll talk a little bit about them. And that's them right there. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, maybe not. Let me see. Screw it, just cut the box. Probably the worst. Box opener. Alright, so let me get this back. Alright, so this is what comes in the box. Again, this is the unboxing. Let's see. It says a 1. Just some guards, I guess, 1.5. I don't know what these are used for. Comes with your oil and a little brush to clean off the hair. This little packaging. Your guard or whatever, just in case if you were to drop them, just protect the blade from damaging. Right here, got your Wahl detailer. The instructions on it. I don't think I'll need that. So this is what it comes in. I really love the size of these. As I was checking out, I was kind of having a hard time whether to get these or the Styliner 2s or something like that. I had both clippers, or trimmers, have had a lot of reviews, good reviews, and I guess it's all on your taste. But I had heard a lot of good reviews on this one, and I really love the size of it. It looks pretty nice too. You got the chrome with the like the maroonish type of reddish. It looks real professional. Got the T-blade, TY blade, and I'll turn these on in a few. Just show you more of them, more of it. Has a good weight to it. It's real light. The reason why I picked this one over the Styliner 2 was because, I've cut hair a couple of times. Nothing like with the fade or nothing. Just like a 2 all the way around with the edge up. Stuff like that. I have a lot of problems like doing like behind the ear and stuff and on top of the ear. And that's why I didn't buy the Styliner 2s, because I always have trouble like around the ears, and I felt like this one will make it a little easier. Well, it looks easier to do stuff like that. Also, you could do lineups with this, designs. A lot of people do designs with these. No, I wouldn't try nothing like that. I'll try to work on learning how to cut hair first before any of that stuff. Here's the little thing where you turn them on and off. See, you just click it to the side. There you go. Your on and off switch. You got your cord. This is your basic cord. But yeah, these look pretty sexy. So yeah, that's why I chose these over the Skyliner 2s. Let me plug these in for y'all so I can check them out. Just got faded up over there in Kingsville. JD over there at Freddy's, I believe. They're in Kingsville, right across HEB. If y'all want to check him out, his name's JD. They're pretty good. I showed him a picture of it, and I asked him if he could do something like that, and he did, and I think overall it was a pretty good job. Let me know what y'all think. But back to these trimmers. Let me plug these in for y'all so y'all can hear them. Let me just sit them down real quick. Oh, it was on. Alright. Hopefully y'all can see this. So again, I'm going to turn them on. Y'all can hear them. Sound like they have some good power to them. Not too noisy. Again, I love the size on these. Plug it. So yeah, this is the Wahl 5-star detailers. That's the box. These are trimmers. Again, it comes with this. I guess you can do like the beards with these and stuff, or I don't know yet. Need to look into it. But yeah, that's a little unboxing of them. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos on people using these, and yeah, I love the size of them. And that's them right there. Well, I'll be getting off here. Leave y'all's comments. Let me know what y'all think. And if y'all have any tips on new barbers starting out, let me know. I could really use the help right now. I'm trying to start off. I bought, I believe it was Barber Quest, the DVD tutorial. And I'll be ordering the Andis Master. I had bought it, and I was having problems with the fade lever. So I went to return it, and they ended up not having any more of them, and they weren't going to get any for a couple of weeks. So that was in Kingsville, and then I drove about 30-40 minutes to Alice, to the other Sally Beauty Salon, a supply store, and they ended up not having it there neither. So, I'm just going to order from AtlantaBarber.com. Also, it's cheaper there. I'll probably come in with maybe a week. So, you know what, I'll just save money and buy it from there. Hopefully the fade lever isn't the same. And, that's it. Thank you guys for watching.